Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your shadow detail on Samsung ViewFinity S7. Let's begin. Now, first, you want to go to your menu by pressing power button on the Mac, going up and clicking Menu. Here, you go to Picture and scroll down until you go to page number 2. And here, you can choose a shadow detail. If you click it, you can change it from -5 all the way up to 5. And as you can see, the shadows here, as this is the darkest place on our background, change. And here are the darkest one, and here is the lightest one. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.